Have you ever come up with the swapping in programming? Were you able to swap two values in just one line without using temporary variable, without going through too much understanding, without thinking too much, without writing three lines of code? Were you able to swap two values? Of course, everyone has gone through this swapping situation in your programming. So here in this video, I will tell you the best and concise way to how to swap two values in just one line without writing three lines of code, without using third variable, temporary variable. Let's get to the solution.
Understand some basics. So here there are other ways available. So like this. So using temporary variable, there you declare one variable and hold the value of other variable, then do swapping. And there is other here using arithmetic operations, you do plus minus and all. You have used this one as well. Here if you have used the XOR operator also, so this is also we can do swapping with the XOR operator, but here I will tell you my way of swapping. So before understanding that one, if you know the destructuring in JavaScript, destructuring assignment. So let's do the assignment of two variable, a equal to 10, let b equal to 20. So take a temporary array, inside that assign b and a in reverse order and do the destructuring in a and b. So here if you see, here will be the 20, here will be the 10. So if you can see, I am holding the value of index 0 into the a, I'm holding the index 1 into the b. So if you can see, the a is going to 20 and b, and 10 is going to, well, 20 is going to a and 10 is going to the b. If you consolidate, you will see that a and b will be the swapped. So this is just one line of code you need to write instead of writing three line of code. Here you write three line of code, here you write three line of code, here you write three line of code with plus temporary variable. So you don't have to write all of this now. This is simple and very concise way of writing and swapping two values in JavaScript. If you are using writing any coding program or any algorithm, so use this destructuring assignment. It's very simple. So let's go to some demo so you can see the how it works. Let's assign a equal to 10, let b equal to 20. Take a temporary array a and b and b and a in reverse order. So what will happen here, so a will pick the index 0 of this array and b will pick the index 1. So if you can see, the a here b is going to be 20 and a is going to be 10. Now this is doing array destructuring and assignment. So if you console it, so if you console it and save it and run it, you can see, so a is 20, you can see a becomes 20 and b becomes 10. So this is temporary array and it is garbage collected when there is no reference remains, when its work is done. So you can see the output, it is just one line of code. It does not require to define third variable, it does not require to write three line of code. It's very concise and readable. It just required to understand the destructuring in JavaScript, array destructuring, object destructuring. So let's see the comparison table between the various swapping techniques available in programming. Here is the comparison table for swapping two values in JavaScript. Also the table below. In the table, if you see, there are three columns given. In each column I have taken the technique name and the code example and the advantage. If you see the first technique, destructuring assignment, there is one line code required. If you see the using temporary variable, there is three line code required. If you are using arithmetic operation, there is also three line of code required. If you see in the XOR bitwise operator technique, you can see there is also three line of code is required. But if you compare it with the destructuring assignment, you can see just one line code is required there. If you check the advantage, it is very concise, readable and easy to understand. What you need to know, just need to know ES6 in JavaScript. So nowadays everyone knows ES6 and the destructuring assignment using array. If you compare with other techniques, they are complicated as compared to the destructuring assignment. You can see in the last XOR bitwise operator, it is very hard to think of this way. If this is also complicated, this is also we require third variable, but that is very optimized and easy to use. So you can now choose this technique in your programming. You can implement it. It's very good and concise. So guys, if you think that video is useful for you, so that you can hit a like and you can subscribe my channel, so that I can get the feedback, so that I can improve my videos and communication and everything. Thank you.